Welcome to Crestron Toolbox tutorial. In this video, you will learn about the EDID tool. This tool allows you to create and edit EDID template files in instances where you need to distribute uncommon or custom video resolutions and/or audio formats through digital media products. Files created using this tool are compatible with many digital media products, including modular matrix switchers, DMPS, and DMNVX. Let's run through a few common uses for the EDID tool. When you buy a Crestron DM product, many of them give you the ability to use templates to manage EDID information. If available, these templates come built into the firmware. However, generally you cannot see what's inside these EDID files in the web UI or tool. You can use the EDID tool to view the templates. Let's take a look at a standard Crestron template. Press the template button to view the list. Here we see the standard Crestron template list. We'll take a look at a 4K template. This template defines resolutions in both the VESA and CEA expansion blocks based on a 4K resolution. Without getting into too much detail, you can see all the resolutions this template supports. Generally, you should not modify Crestron templates. This is because you are editing the templates that Toolbox loads. However, you can't borrow one and make it your own. Let's take a look at how to do that. Since we already have this template loaded, we'll save it as our own before making changes. Now that we saved it, we're ready to make changes. In this case, we'll add a resolution to the VESA and CEA blocks. VESA is typically used for computers or monitors. When editing the VESA block, space inside of this block is limited because of how EDID is designed. Therefore, you can't add any resolution to any area. To explain it simply, if a resolution does not match one of the four most common aspect ratios, you need to put it as one of the two detailed timings. 1366 by 768 is a popular example of this. Now, this part of the template will try 4K first, then the resolution we just added. Then it goes down the list of standard timings and established timings. To add standard timings, select the resolution and use the arrows. Press OK when you're done. Note that you cannot add audio timings to VESA. When editing the CEA block, you can add both audio and video timings. Remember, this part is for consumer devices like most TVs. Press either Modify button to add or remove timings. When using video, you will need to make sure you pick the proper HDMI version to see most 4K resolutions. Also, uncommon resolutions are hidden unless you unhide them. To add or remove, use the arrows. For audio, it works in a similar way. You can pick Format, Sample Rate, and Channels. You may also change the order in what is tried first when you use the template. Remember to save once you're done. This template is now ready to load into a device. You can import your own EDID files if you need to. There are tools that exist that can save EDID from computers. Also, some video card software allows you to save your EDID as a .bin file. Let's take a quick look at importing an EDID that was saved. First, you'll need to press the Open button. You'll need to change the file type to .bin since Crestron EDID files are .cedid. Here we have loaded an EDID file from a computer. If you save this as a Crestron EDID file, you can load it into the input or the DM system you are trying to use it on. Generally, you do this by loading the file using the web UI of the device or copying it over SFTP. For more details, consult the product documentation. Thank you for watching.